pretty simple. Yeah, it's on YouTube. What you want to do is you want to get yourself a big bucket, 5-gallon pail. Doesn't have to be that big, but it has to be big enough that you can fit a sump pump into it. So you want a sump pump in there, so you can fill that with not just regular white vinegar. You want the multi-purpose vinegar, Heinz here, because that's 6%. It's more industrial. It's made for cleaning. Now what you're gonna do then is you're gonna pour about half of that into your bucket, and you're gonna save the other half for the next time, because you don't want to do this about every 6 months, 4 to 6 months. Then you're going to put some water in there. You're going to want to dilute it down. Now, I'm not sure the percentage, but I think regular vinegar is, I spilled a bunch of it. That's fine. Because what you can do here is when you hook up everything. Now, as you can see, the vinegar is hard on metal. But the metal inside of your water heater is brass. So it's going to be fine. So red is obviously your return here. And you should have on your, God damn it. Oh, shit here. You should have returns just like anyone else here. They should be labeled. So you're going to want to use your red one for that return. Make sure you have plastic or rubber still in here. You don't want to leak. Not good. You're also going to want to turn down your tankless water heater's temperature or flip it off at the breaker. So you don't blast yourself with scalding hot water. Exactly. We don't really want that. Next thing you're going to want to do is hook up your cold. Now, you need to close both valves here. You should have a dual valve. One for the opening to the tubes you just connected. Now, the other tube here. God damn it! It's going to go onto your, okay, this is rusted shut. So we're going to have to
make some.
Son of a bitch. See, you should ideally clean off all your stuff from the vinegar so it doesn't rust out like this. But I think it was winter last time I did this. You know, if it... Get all this shit out of here! It's gonna make a great video.
Nobody's watching.
Can't get it on.
Do you want the other sump pump?
No, it's not. Emily, listen.
Oh, it's the tube itself.
The tube is rusted. You understand? I don't know if the threads are even gonna work on there. I might have to get new tubes. Anyways, you got the basic idea. You hook it up, you flip your valves. I usually run it for 30 minutes to an hour. You could tell by the liquid inside of it that it's working. Alright? The water gets, the vinegar gets really gross. And, you know, you're good to go. If you do that every 4 to 6 months, your tankless water heater should last a lifetime. This has been your home improvement channel, Zombie Jamboree. Have a wonderful day, everyone. That's going to make a great video.